Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to perform preventive maintenance on your pallet jack to keep it in the best condition and avoid costly repairs. Whether you're operating a large warehouse or a small store, regular maintenance is crucial for your pallet jack's optimal performance and longevity. Stick around as we break down the steps to ensure your pallet jacks are always in top shape. First, how often should you perform preventive maintenance on your pallet jack? Well, it depends on usage, but a good rule of thumb is to perform maintenance at least once a month or every 150 hours of operation. This ensures that small issues don't snowball into major problems, saving you time and money in the long run. Now, let's dive into the regular maintenance checklist for your pallet jacks. This checklist will cover the key areas that require inspection and maintenance to ensure the smooth operation and safety of your equipment. To perform a preventive maintenance checklist, you will need the following tools and equipment: a clean cloth, a grease gun, a hydraulic fluid level gauge, multimeter, wrench set, screwdriver set, and a pallet jack regular maintenance checklist PDF. You can download it from the link in the description. The preventive maintenance is performed on 4 main systems: inspecting the hydraulic components, mechanical system, electrical system, and braking system. We also do some other general operation checks. Let's go through each part in detail. Start by inspecting the hydraulic components. These components are responsible for lifting and lowering the forks of your pallet jack. To inspect them, you should do the following. Check the hydraulic fluid level using the gauge. The fluid level should be between the minimum and maximum marks. If the fluid level is low, add more fluid until it reaches the proper level. Check the hydraulic joints, hoses, and fittings for leaks, cracks, or damage. If you find any, replace them as soon as possible. Check the hydraulic pump and cylinder for any signs of wear or damage. Contact a professional service technician for repair or replacement if you notice any. Inspect the hydraulic seals for any signs of damage or wear. Replace them if necessary. Grease the pump piston and cylinder rod using the grease gun. This will help prevent corrosion and friction. Next up is the mechanical system. To inspect them, you should do the following. Ensure that all moving parts are well lubricated and free from obstructions. Check the forks for any bends, cracks, or damage. Carefully inspect the load and steer wheels for any cracks, chips, or wear. The bearings must rotate or spin freely. It must have no noise, vibration, or excessive play. Check the axles for any bends, cracks, or damage. If you find any, replace them as soon as possible. Check the handle, steering linkages, and chains for any rust, dirt, or slack. If you find any, clean them with a cloth and adjust them to the proper tension. Ensure that all screws and bolts are properly tightened. The next in line is the electrical system. It includes the battery, charger, motor, controller, switches, and wires of your pallet jack. A malfunctioning electrical system can lead to operational issues and safety concerns. To inspect them, you should do the following. Start by inspecting the electrical wires. Make sure the wirings are tightly connected and the terminals are properly intact. Test the controls and switches and make sure the wiring is intact. The drive motor must be running smoothly both forward and reverse. And there should be no unusual noises, overheating, or sparks. If it's not, troubleshoot the issues and repair or replace them as soon as possible. Otherwise, it will disrupt the operation. Check the controller for any damage or malfunction. Contact a professional service technician for repair or replacement if you find any. Another important area to check is the braking system. Check the braking system for responsiveness and inspect brake pads and components for wear. Addressing brake issues promptly ensures a secure working environment. Check the following components for braking system inspection. Check the brake pedal for any damage or malfunction. Check the brake pads for any wear or damage. Test the brakes to ensure they engage and release smoothly. Clean and adjust the brake mechanism for optimal performance. Check the brake discs for any cracks or warping. Check the brake cables for any rust, dirt, or slack. If you find any, clean them with a cloth and adjust them to the proper tension. In addition to inspecting the electrical system of your pallet jack, you should also perform some battery maintenance tasks to extend its life and performance. You should do the following. Check the battery's overall condition and cleanliness. Inspect the water level in the battery and top up with distilled water if required. Test the battery's voltage and recharge it according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Clean your battery terminals regularly with a cloth and baking soda solution to remove dirt or corrosion. Do not use metal tools or abrasive materials to clean your battery terminals, as this can damage them. Don't forget the charger. Check its performance regularly to guarantee the battery receives the right charge. A faulty charger can lead to issues with your pallet jack's power supply. Do the following checks. Check the charger output voltage and current using a multimeter. Ensure the charger delivers the correct amount of voltage and current to charge the battery efficiently. The output voltage and current should match the required battery voltage and current for charging. If the output voltage and current are too high or too low, replace the charger as soon as possible. Inspect the charger indicator lights for any errors or warnings. If you see any, refer to the charger manual for troubleshooting or contact the manufacturer for assistance. Check the charger's cables, plugs, and connections for any damage. Now, after inspecting and maintaining the various components of your pallet jack, you should also test its operations and functions to ensure that everything is working properly and safely. Do the following. Test the lifting and lowering functions of your pallet jack. The forks should move smoothly and evenly without any jerks or noises. The forks should also stop at the desired height without drifting or dropping. Test the driving and steering functions of your pallet jack. The pallet jack should move forward and backward without any hesitation or difficulty. The pallet jack should also turn left and right without skidding or slipping. Test the braking function of your pallet jack. The pallet jack should stop smoothly and quickly without any squeaking or grinding. The pallet jack should also stay in place without any rolling or sliding. Tiller arm switches, lights, horns, and alarms must be functional. In addition to the specific components, always conduct general checks. Look for loose bolts, damaged panels, or any irregularities in the overall structure of the pallet jack. Do a test run and make sure the pallet jack operates smoothly. To make your preventive maintenance easier and more efficient, we have prepared a handy PDF checklist that you can download from the link in the description and print out. This checklist covers all the steps and tasks that we have discussed in this video, plus some additional tips and reminders. You can use this checklist to keep track of your preventive maintenance schedule and record any issues or actions you encounter. And there you have it, a comprehensive pallet jack preventive maintenance checklist. Regular preventive maintenance is essential for your pallet jack's optimal performance and longevity. Following this checklist and performing regular inspections can prevent breakdowns, improve safety, and save on costly repairs. Now, before we wrap up, I would like to introduce you to our dedicated platform, PalletJackson.com. A comprehensive solution for all your pallet jack maintenance requirements, our website is a hub for premium quality parts across a diverse range of makes and models. From hydraulic components to electrical parts, load support systems, and other crucial accessories, we provide them all at the most competitive prices in the market. Make Pallet Jackson your go-to resource for every pallet jack needs. The link to our website is in the description. Please make sure to visit. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it insightful, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to stay connected. We welcome your thoughts, ideas, and any queries you might have, so please don't hesitate to drop a comment below.